Welcome back to the channel, and today we've got something exciting for all the RV lovers out there. Keystone has just rolled out a brand new floor plan for the 2026 Cougar lineup, and let me tell you, this one really pushes the boundaries of what a fifth wheel can offer. Whether you're a full-time traveler or a weekend adventurer, this new design has a little bit of everything, and in some ways, it feels more like a luxury apartment on wheels than a trailer. Let's dive in and take a closer look. When you first approach the Cougar, the exterior is classic Keystone with those bold black accents against the bright white fiberglass. The aerodynamic front cap gives it that sleek, modern look, and you'll notice large tinted windows all around that hint at just how bright and open the inside will feel. The automatic leveling system and solid entry steps make setup quick and secure, and as always, Keystone includes plenty of storage compartments along the side so you can carry camping gear, outdoor chairs, and all your travel essentials. Stepping inside, the first thing you notice with this new 2026 floor plan is the sense of space. The designers have gone all in on creating a wide open living area with opposing slides, and it really transforms the feel of the RV. On one side, you've got a pair of theater seats facing directly toward the entertainment center, complete with a large HD TV and electric fireplace. On the other side, a plush sofa not only provides extra seating but also folds out into a bed, giving you more sleeping space when you've got family or friends tagging along. The kitchen is where this floor plan really shines. Keystone has given the Cougar a residential feel with a center island that provides plenty of prep space as well as a deep stainless steel sink. You've got solid surface countertops, overhead cabinets with soft close doors, and a full-size pantry that's perfect for long trips. The appliances are residential inspired as well, with a 3-burner stove, oven, microwave, and an oversized refrigerator that runs off both electric and propane. If you're someone who enjoys cooking on the road, this setup will make you feel right at home. Moving toward the front, the bathroom is surprisingly spacious for a mid-sized fifth wheel. You've got a full walk-in shower with glass doors, a porcelain foot flush toilet, a vanity with storage underneath, and even some extra shelving for towels and toiletries. Keystone really paid attention to making the bathroom feel comfortable, not cramped, which is something RVers have been asking for. Now the bedroom in this new 2026 Cougar floor plan is going to be a big hit. You'll find a true queen bed, and in some models you can even upgrade to a king. There are wardrobes on both sides of the bed, overhead cabinets, and a slide-out wardrobe or closet depending on the layout. The large front cap window lets in natural light in the mornings, but with blackout shades, you can keep things dark when you want to sleep in. There's also a prep station for a washer and dryer, which is a huge plus if you plan on extended stays or full-time travel. Another feature worth noting is the climate control. The Cougar comes with Keystone's Blade Pure Air handling system, which provides even cooling and heating throughout the RV. Combined with the 15,000 BTU air conditioner and optional second unit, you can stay comfortable no matter what time of year you're camping. The insulation package is designed for extended season use, which means you're not limited to just summer trips. Technology hasn't been left out either. The 2026 Cougar includes Keystone's Compass Connect system, allowing you to control lighting, slides, awnings, and check tank levels right from your smartphone. SolarFlex solar prep is also included, making it easier to add panels and increase your off-grid capabilities. As we step back outside, you'll notice the Cougar has a large power awning with LED lights, outdoor speakers, and an optional exterior kitchen on certain floor plans. This setup creates a perfect space for hanging out in the evenings, grilling, or just enjoying the view from your campsite. Overall, the 2026 Keystone Cougar's new floor plan feels like it's been designed with modern RVers in mind. You've got open living areas, a kitchen that feels residential, a bathroom and bedroom that don't sacrifice comfort, and plenty of technology to make life easier on the road. Keystone has taken feedback from years of Cougar owners and really refined this design to give travelers more of what they want. If you've been considering upgrading your RV or stepping into the fifth wheel lifestyle for the first time, this 2026 Cougar deserves a serious look. It blends practicality, comfort, and style in a way that makes it stand out in the midsize RV market. And with Keystone's reputation for quality and durability, you can feel confident that this rig will keep up with your adventures for years to come. That's our walkthrough of the brand new 2026 Keystone Cougar floor plan. Let me know in the comments what you think of this design. Would you see yourself living or traveling in this layout? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more RV tours and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.